Hey contractors, tired of guesstimating HVAC bids and losing money? Winning profitable jobs starts with ditching guesswork for a solid process. Dive deep into MEP drawings, scrutinize every detail like equipment schedules and duct specs. In this booming market, hitting $445 billion by 2033, precision is key to beating competitors. Build a repeatable system with thorough plan reviews and accurate takeoffs. Tools like HVAC can automate those initial counts to speed things up. Nail your HVAC takeoff to avoid profit killers. Manual methods mean hours highlighting plans, counting diffusers, measuring duct runs, and listing equipment. Super error-prone, missing fittings or supports that add 15 to 20% costs. Common pitfalls like forgetting insulation wreck bids. Switch to AI-powered takeoff. Upload plans, and it auto-detects, counts, measures instantly with perfect accuracy. This cuts days to minutes, freeing you for strategy. HVAC handles this grunt work seamlessly. Get true costs right. Materials first. Prices fluctuate, so grab fresh supplier quotes for big items like AHUs. Update your database quarterly. Add freight and tax. Labor's trickier. Start with MCAA standards like 0.75 hours per diffuser, then adjust for site access, renovations, weather, maybe 15% more for tight spaces. Don't forget 25 to 40% burden, taxes, insurance, benefits. Your $40 tech really costs $56 per hour. HVAC can help populate accurate material lists fast. Protect bids with overheads and contingencies. Overhead, office rent, salaries, insurance is your yearly cost divided by direct costs, say 20%. Add it to every job. 50,000 direct becomes 60,000. Contingency covers risks, 3 to 5% for simple new builds, 10 to 15% for vague plans or hospital retrofits. Assess site access, supply chains honestly. This ensures profitability despite surprises. AI tools like HVAC make factoring these in quicker and more precise. Craft a winning HVAC proposal. Clear scope like install train RTU with ductwork, list inclusions, exclusions, transparent breakdown table for equipment, materials, labor. Add payment terms, timeline, warranties, signature line. This builds trust over vague bids. Clients pick pros who show homework. For FAQs, speed up with templates and AI. Never skip specs, tie contingency to risks, lock material prices with clauses. HVAC streamlines polished proposals effortlessly.